the gutter, but I left my lover. What an expensive fate.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to my video today. So in today's video, I was trying to get ready to go to my friend's house. We're having like a Christmas party there, and I wanted to do something like really chill, but I decided let me like come here and record for you guys what I'm going to be doing. Like, it's going to be super chill, super simple, something anyone can achieve, of course with the classic red lip. And this is the season, like tomorrow is going to be Christmas. Like, Merry Christmas in advance, because I know I'm not going to upload a video on Christmas Day. I'll be too busy eating chicken. So Merry Christmas in advance. I hope the holidays is all you wish and hope for, and I wish you nothing but happiness this holiday season. So yeah, if you like to see the simple look we come up with, please keep on watching. I'm going for a Christmas party, so I might as well be fancy. My party is for 6 p.m. and I know there's going to be African time, so because after this video I want to see if I can record like things I got for Black Friday. This is such an amazing primer, I'm not even going to lie. Like, I use it on and off the skin, but when I use it I notice the difference in my foundation routine. So now that we're looking at Iron Man, I'm going to go into my foundation from Huda Beauty. I feel like Huda Beauty foundation is too expensive for all this play that I used to see them do. Guys, Huda Beauty was selling the Please don't stain my sweater. This is what I want to wear out. Huda Beauty was doing sales for like, I think foundations for $20 or so. I don't even know, but I was careful not to order a lot so that I don't have to pay. I didn't want to order a lot so I don't get to pay customs fee. Gosh, I ordered 2, and I ordered like 4 concealers and powder. I don't know whether it was 2 or 3 I ordered. It has already come since. Like Huda Beauty, they ship speedily with DHL. For some reason I'm sweating so much, it's getting my bangs soaked with sweat. Like, you want to be a smart girl, of course, and not put a lot of foundation underneath your bangs if you're wearing bangs, because what's going to happen is that you're going to sweat all through. So I got some stuff for Black Friday, perfumes. They weren't really on Black Friday sale. There's this order I ordered from Juvia's place. BLOT Beauty helped me order it, and that hasn't come, guys. Juvia's place was doing mad sales this Black Friday, like mad. With this look, you just want to go all out on your skin, like all out on your skin. That is where you want to go ham. Like, this brush is from Evita Joseph. So my outfit today is going to be super chill. I'm just wearing this sweater, a high-waisted blue jean, and Converse sneakers. Like, that is what I'm going to be wearing, because I may not remember to show you guys, but that's my outfit in case we're imagining what it was in my head, in your head. Just a very chill outfit. I'm not about to kill myself, because right now KD is so cold and it gets colder in the evening, so I'm not about to kill myself wearing something short just to look cute. So make sure that with this step your under eye is popping. So I'll go in with a lighter Huda Beauty concealer. So I've gotten the lighter Huda Beauty concealer, and I'm just going to put that out. Just focus on your skin work for this look and you'll be good to go. I was watching I'm using the Huda Beauty Blondie, in case you didn't know. I was watching Harish's video. If you didn't know her, she's the Kardashians makeup artist. She was saying how she mixes 5 powders, certain powders, to get her perfect mix. And I used to do that before, but it was not up to 5, like 3. And that mixture used to give me life. It finished and I got lazy to mix another one. Also because I didn't remember the proportion I mixed it in. So if that's something you want to see, like I had so many questions every time I was using that setting powder on camera and even on my live videos on Instagram, but I couldn't just tell you guys that I mixed. But when I saw her video and she was confident saying it, so like, okay, if you guys want to see me mix the perfect setting powder, because I love, you know, this Jaclyn Hill new release that has the powder shimmer in it. Like that's something I really love, like a bit of very tiny flex. So I put very tiny bit of that Jackie Aina highlighter in it, and guys, that's like, it's this lower part to be illuminated really beautifully. It just looks very beautiful, very aesthetically pleasing. This has got to be one of my favorite products of 2019. Like it just does something for me, I swear down. I like to take it up into my brows, of course. My favorite product has to be these two shadows in this palette. I don't think I did any look this year without using these two colors. Any. Woo! That was a lot. It was trying to tell me thank you for 2018. I'm going to go into this Kogi. Don't worry, I'll tone that down with powder. Kogi is like a more reddish shade. Woo! Betty Boop vibes or nah. So I'm just going to set it like that, using just the leftover from this pack. And the next step I'm going to do is my eyes. And for my eyes, I'm just going to take Cypress Umber. It's like a grayish brown here. Take that and rustic, and I'll just put it inside here. That's just all I'm doing. Just to make this my nose contour seem more pronounced. I use Sienna and Rustic to blend that out. I just like the way this grungy look makes my eyes look. That's just basically why I'm doing this. So my eyelid, I'm going to go into this bright shades in this e.l.f. palette. And I'm just going to place that here. Next step will be liner. And I just want to do a very baby wing. Yes, just baby wings like that is what I want. These lashes are so simple. Can you see, like, it's so simple and so pretty. And I just found out that recently I've just been liking normal looking lashes more than the 50mm and 100mm lashes. In case you're wondering, my lash glue is from Sopro Cosmetics. I can't show you the container because it's in a terrible condition, but just know that this lash glue is the best thing ever. Are we good to go? We're good to go, good to go, good to go, sir! If you went for NYC, you know where this madness is coming from. Get you this powder if you haven't already from, what's it called? From Flawless Ivy. To basically sleep on this powder, you don't want to. So affordable and so good. Kind of liking an all matte look of recent too. Like, I don't know, I'm kind of liking it. So I'm still going to do highlighter today, of course, don't mind me. Highlight, I'm going to take this and just do that. Cool. Just to make your powder, your makeup look less powdery. Artist Couture, and it's in that peach. I actually think it's finishing. Guys, I think it's finishing. Just going to use that to open up my inner corner. The same highlighter, but with a different brush, because I just want everything subtle. Wow. I couldn't even finish my subtle statement. Something I'd love to do today would be freckles, which I'll do. I'm happy I remembered. This is my absolute favorite highlighter this year. Like, it topped La Peach for me. From ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Guys, in 2020, I have to be added to ABH PR list. Like, time I've reached. I can't wait till when I'm able to get their stuff and show you guys in time and just have it. Like, I remember how happy I felt when I got added to Huda Beauty's PR. I don't know what I'm going to feel when I get added to ABH's PR list. I'm going to turn that pimple there into a beauty mark. You don't even know. My beauty marks. Tiny brush and my brow gel. I'm supposed to have filmed the freckle tutorial for you guys, but man, like, life has been testing me. But don't worry, 2020, by God's grace. For lining lips, I'll use this Flawless IV lipstick. It's called VIP, and I honestly want my lips to be very defined, so I'm going to take this on a brush. I'm going to blend this out because I don't want any harsh lines. The mixture is a lot though. Don't get tired. This one is from BLOT Beauty. Like, this is the perfect red lip tutorial. People don't really show all these steps because it takes a lot of time. But I want you to slay this December. This is like a dark plum purple color, but still in the dark red family, if you get me. So can you see what that has done there? So I'll go ahead and do that at the edges as well and under my lips, so that you can see how adding that dark shade is making my lips look fuller. Next shade will be this one from BLOT. It's called Blend. With this one, I'm just going to, because this is going to be the star of the show, I'm still going to take it all the way. Like, you won't be able to see that line of demarcation. So while this one is still drying, I'm going to go into the shade Bougie, and it's like it's an orange shade, not like an orange shade. I'm going to take that on a blending brush, lightly pop that there, just to highlight that part. And that's it, guys. Like, you can highlight with pink, you can highlight with white. I love the look that I get when I highlight with an orange. Sit there and tell me that this is not the most perfect red lips you've seen all year. Like, you see how we're not going for a super dramatic look, but like a red lip just brought everything together. That's what you want. So guys, that completes the look. I hope you enjoyed watching up until this point, and I hope this look was worth it. I feel like it was super chill, very easy to achieve. In case you're thinking of what to do, maybe to go to church tomorrow or to hang out, I hope this comes in handy for you. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I wish you all a Merry Christmas once again and Happy Holidays. Wish me the same down below as well. Like, wish me back Merry Christmas. Give this video a thumbs up in case you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. It will mean the absolute world to me, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.